Visual Paradigm Pricing explained what you get for your money. Visual Paradigm isn't just another diagramming tool. You won't believe how much it can streamline software design, project management, and business process modeling. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just for diagrams, but the surprising truth is it offers BIM modeling, mind mapping, and agile project support all in one platform. Pricing is tiered based on the type of license and the features you need. The standard edition starts around per month per user for Cloud Access, offering basic diagramming and modeling tools. Professional edition, at roughly per month per user, unlocks advanced features like database design, code engineering, and team collaboration. For enterprise needs, the Enterprise Edition is priced based on scale, with full integration options, reporting, and advanced security. Most people get this wrong by comparing it to free tools, but the productivity and collaboration capabilities can save significant time for teams working on complex projects. Visual Paradigm also includes collaborative cloud editing, real-time updates, and export options for multiple formats. You won't believe how much easier team collaboration becomes when everyone can see and edit diagrams simultaneously, reducing misunderstandings and speeding up workflows. In conclusion, Visual Paradigm Pricing scales with the complexity of your needs and team size. By evaluating the license tiers and available features, you can determine the best value for your money. For teams serious about design and process modeling, the investment pays off in efficiency, collaboration, and quality outcomes.